Life is not always easy. Sometimes worries come quietly. Sometimes worries stay for long. Tonight, Rahul and Ananya talk slowly about worries in life. Through their soft conversation, we learn English calmly, gently, step by step.
Hello, Ananya. You look quiet today.
Hello, Rahul. Yes, I am quiet. My mind feels heavy.
Are you worried about something?
Yes, I have many worries.
It is okay. You can talk to me. Slowly.
Thank you. Talking helps.
What does worry feel like to you?
It feels like a weight on my heart.
That sounds painful.
Yes, sometimes. I cannot sleep.
Worries often come at night.
Yes, when everything is quiet, the mind becomes loud.
That is very true. What do you worry about the most?
I worry about my future, about my work, about my family.
Those are common worries.
Sometimes I feel I am not doing enough.
I feel that too. Many people feel that way.
It makes me feel small.
You are not small. You are trying.
Rahul, do you worry too?
Yes, I do.
About what?
About responsibility, about success, about failure.
Failure scares me.
Me too, but fear means we care.
I never thought like that.
Worries show we want a better life.
Worries make me tired.
Yes, they drain energy.
Sometimes I feel sad, without reason.
That happens when worries stay inside.
Talking releases pain.
Exactly. Sharing lightens the heart. What do you do when worries come?
I sit quietly. I breathe slowly.
That is good.
I remind myself, this moment will pass.
That is a strong thought.
What do you do?
I write my worries. I talk to someone. I walk slowly.
Simple actions help a lot.
Do you believe things will get better?
Yes, even when it is hard, I believe.
Hope keeps us moving.
Yes, without hope, worries feel heavier.
Hope is quiet, but powerful.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for trusting me.
I feel lighter now.
That makes me happy.
Worries feel smaller when shared.
We don't need to fight alone. Worries may come again.
Yes, but now I know I can handle them.
Step by step.
Slowly, calmly.
Just like learning English.
Yes, slowly. Some worries do not have words.
Yes, they stay silent.
I feel them, but I cannot explain them.
That is okay. Not every feeling needs words.
Sometimes, I just feel uneasy.
Those are quiet worries. They come from inside.
It helps to accept them.
Do you compare yourself with others?
Yes, sometimes.
That creates many worries.
I see people doing well, and I feel behind.
Everyone has a different pace.
I forget that.
Your journey is your own. It does not need comparison.
That thought feels comforting. I am hard on myself.
Many of us are.
I expect too much.
Try to speak to yourself like a friend.
That sounds gentle.
Kind words heal worries.
Worries may return.
Yes, but now you are stronger.
Because I talked.
Because you understood yourself.
I feel calmer.
That is growth. Worries do not disappear suddenly, but understanding makes them lighter. With slow words and open hearts, we learn English, and we learn how to face life, one gentle step at a time.